welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a fun, easy, and inexpensive fall scarecrow wreath tutorial. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial with a friend, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. For this DIY, you're going to need a 14-inch Dollar Tree wreath ring, and these come in gold and green. They're just the same though, so either one will work because you're going to be wrapping it with yarn, and I am using some yarn that I picked up on sale at Hobby Lobby. It's just the chunky yarn. You're also going to need some raffia or raffia. I picked it up at Walmart. You're going to need some ribbon with wire for a bow, and I picked those up at Hobby Lobby when they were on sale. And I also picked up these floral picks at Hobby Lobby in the fall section when they were on sale half price. So make sure if you're going to Hobby Lobby, try to go when they have everything in the fall section half price. So you're going to need 4 fall floral picks total. So I picked 2 of those. I don't know what they're called, but 2 that remind me of wheat, and then 2 with the leaves. And then you're also going to need a cute scarecrow. And I found this adorable scarecrow for $5 at Dollar General. Isn't she cute? She's got her cute little stockings on and dress and little boots, and she is just adorable. So I found her at Dollar General. And you're going to need your hot glue gun and glue sticks and your scissors to get started, and you might want to put on your hot glue finger guards. So you're just going to flip your wreath ring to the back side and hot glue your yarn onto your frame. Just be very careful. Let it dry for just a little bit, and then you're just going to wrap your wreath ring. Try not to overlap. Try to keep it nice and tight and make your loops close together. And you're just going to do the same process all the way around the wreath ring. It's easier for me to cut my yarn into strips, and that way it doesn't get tangled up as much. Today is October 1st, 2022, so happy October, guys. I hope you're having a good day. I just wanted to say that it's a new month, and so I have a new giveaway on my channel. So at the very end, I have a detailed video about what this month's giveaway is. So keep watching until the end if you'd like to enter my giveaway. You can use whatever color yarn, chunky yarn that you would like. I think a pretty orange would be pretty, or burgundy also. Just remember when you're wrapping it, try not to overlap your loops. Try to keep them side by side and close together. And you're going to have quite a bit of yarn left over. You could probably make another one just like this if you wanted to. If you do not have any chunky yarn, you could use some 2.5-inch width ribbon to wrap your wreath ring if you would like. Same steps, just try not to overlap it too much. And here's how it looks when you get it wrapped. And you can see I had a lot of chunky yarn left over, so I may make one more. Now we're going to get out a big handful of the raffia, and I'm just cutting it to about a 14-inch strip. So you can use as much as you want or as little as you want, or you do not have to use any raffia if you do not want. So it's optional. So I'm just cutting a piece out, and then you're also going to need a zip tie. Now I am going to be placing mine on the left side of my wreath. So I'm just going to take my zip tie, and I am going to thread it around one of the middle wires on the wreath ring and zip tie my raffia in the center on the left side. Now you could place it at the top, at the bottom, on the right, or you could do like I am and placing mine on the left. So just get it zip tied nice and tight. Then cut off the extra part. So here's how it looks. Next we're going to make a swag. So fluff your flowers. Place one on the left, one on the right. So I bought 2 of the same picks. So I'm putting down my wheat picks first, and now the ones with the pretty gold leaves, one on the left, one on the right, overlapping the stems. So we made a fall swag. Next we're going to zip tie the little swag together. Make sure you get your zip tie nice and tight. Trim off the extra part, and then we're going to set it aside for just a little bit. You can kind of fluff and shape your flowers to kind of make them have a curve to them if you would like. So in just a little bit I'll be wiring it on, but first we need to make our bow. So I'm going to let out a tail, make a loop, pinch it together, go the other side, make another loop the same size, keep it pinched together in my left hand. And I'm making about 4-inch loops, making another loop, about a 4-inch loop, going back to the other side, I'm going to make another loop. So I'm making a double bow. This is 1.5-inch width ribbon with wire. Let out a tail. Now I'm going to add the gold ribbon on top and just do a single bow. And I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel, so if you don't like this one, check out one of the bow tutorial playlists and hopefully you'll find one you like. At the end of this video, I am going to add some pictures of some other fall DIYs I have made in 2022, and I'll also link those tutorials below in the description box for you. Now I'm taking a piece of floral wire and wrapping it nice and tight around the center of my bow. Leave the wires long on your bow, and you'll see why in just a second. So now I'm going to dovetail the ends and fluff the loops of my bow. Once you have your bow ready, you're going to take the wires that are on your bow, wrap them around your swag, take the wires on your bow, go to the back of your swag. You're going to give those wires a twist. Once you have the bow attached to your swag, now you're going to take your swag and you're going to go just above the zip tie on your raffia, thread your wires on the left and right side of your raffia through the wire wreath ring. Then you're going to go to the back of your wreath and you're going to twist those wires, cut them off short, and fold them down. Now you have your bow and your swag attached. Wasn't that super easy? If you have been following my channel for very long, y'all know that I have a little cat named Willow. Today is her birthday. She is 1 year old. And I also have a surprise. We have a new dog. We have a rescue, and his name is Walker, and he's another coon hound. I will add a picture of Walker at the very end. He was so poor and starving, and he was scared of us at first when we got him, but he is coming around and he is just the sweetest little dog. And here's how it looks with the swag on the left side. Now I really think it's pretty with just the swag, but of course I wanted to add my little scarecrow, so I'm wiring her on. So she has like a pillow or beanie type bottom, so I just threaded the wires through the material, gave them a twist, and then I am just going to thread the wires through the wreath ring and then go the back and twist the wires and cut them off short and fold them down. But now she's a little bit tall, so I had to add some support to hold her up so she wouldn't fall forward or back. So I needed something a little bit taller than a popsicle stick to add to her back. So you'll probably have to take a ruler and cut it to about 8 to 10 inches and hot glue it onto the back of the wreath and the back of the scarecrow so that she has support and doesn't move. So that's just an idea. That's what I did. I know there's lots of different ways to add support, but she turned out really cute. I have details coming up about my October 2022 giveaway, so if you want to enter, keep listening, and also I'll add a picture of Walker at the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Hi guys! For my October 2022 giveaway, I am going to be giving away a $25 Ulta Beauty gift card, plus all of these goodies that you see right here. My daughter and I get beauty boxes in the mail, and so these are some of the things that we had left over, and so I was going to donate them to Goodwill, but my daughter said, well, maybe some of your subscribers would like these. So I'm going to be giving one person all of these goodies plus a $25 Ulta Beauty gift card. That way you can go pamper yourself and spoil yourself. So to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is on my October videos, my tutorials, and shop with me, write the word October giveaway in the comments on each video. And on November 1st, 2022, one person will win all of these goodies plus an Ulta gift card. And I will let you know on this video if you are the winner, and I'll ask for your mailing address only. I'll give you my email, and then you'll email me your mailing address only. Now, if you don't want these goodies, if you only want the gift card, then that's fine too. I understand. But if you'd like to have these goodies to try, you're welcome to them. So they'll be included in this month's giveaway. You must be a U.S. resident, 18 years or older to enter. This giveaway is not sponsored, endorsed, or affiliated with YouTube or anyone. I just wanted to do something to say thank you. You must be subscribed to my YouTube channel, like the videos, and leave those 2 words on each of the October videos, October giveaway. And then November 1st, 2022, we'll pick one winner, and I'll notify you on this video. So I hope you like it, and I hope you're having a great day.